Hey, we're back with post-purchase email automation part 7. I told you it was the last video. It wasn't, because I want to show you some of the results of these emails. Now, this is indicative of a small period of time, but it should give you some idea of how profitable these emails can be. So these are the first 2 emails that go out for Boom. This is the last 30 days here. You can see email number 1, 55% open rate, 31% click rate, and $2,000 in extra revenue. And that email is literally just thanks and welcome. But because we link back in every email, except for the anticipation builder in the cross-sell sequence, because we link back in every single email to our landing page on our website, we end up getting people buying from emails that aren't even designed to sell them stuff. Email number 2 here, which is the pre-arrival email number 1 for Boom, that goes out the following day. Another 2,000. Notice the open rate has dropped. That is natural. You're going to see the open rate drop over time in this post-purchase automation sequence. So $2,000 on that email. Email number 3, also pre-arrival, $5,500 in revenue in the last 30 days. The reason why that's got so much revenue is because that one is a social proof asset. That's like a news piece. That's a third-party pitch video. And those ones tend to convince people that you're wonderful more than just a piece of content about your life. Now, day 5 here, we roll out with the another pre-arrival email for Boom, another $5,000 generated. Look at the open rate on that. And the reason the open rate is so high is because we say, I thought I'd never do this. You'll notice that we say things like, I have a secret for you. I thought I'd never do this, like provocative subject lines in these emails. And you'll get to see that when you get our swipe file. And then we move into the cross-sell sequence. I don't know how this email is making money, because the only way you can get to our site is in a very small link in the footer. You know, that's the anticipation builder. Then the actual webinar that goes out, the long form video asset, $8,000 in revenue. Notice we're down to a 40% open rate here on day 7. But look at that revenue. Look at that order rate. 1% of the people who get that email order. Then we've got our PDF, another 1% order rate, another $5,600. And look at the difference here. If we just sent the video and not the PDF the day later, we'd be missing out on $6,000 a month in revenue from people who would be willing to buy if you'd given them a piece of content that was relevant to them, i.e. a piece of content that was designed to be read rather than watched. And then we send out the last chance email. We're at a 31% open rate here, another $5,000 by introducing that deadline. We move into our selfie request, which is also making money. So every email makes money. Every one of them, even the ones that aren't designed to make money. And you're going to experience that in your business as well. These emails that send people back to your website, that re-engage them with content, that ask them for reviews, also make revenue. And then we've got our survey request, which is 40% open rate, because people like really kind of want to help you out. You'll notice we say, can you help me out? The answer is yes, they want to help you out. And then finally, we've got our video review request, another $5,000 in revenue and a 34% open rate. So one thing to make note of for the post-purchase automation is, in tandem with these emails that are going out in the automation that you've set up in whatever your CRM is, any kind of dynamic tracking emails that you have set up between your shopping cart and the customer are going to be going out. Any kind of dynamic static review requests, like we use an app on our Shopify store called Yotpo, and it sends out static review requests, I think at like day 17, day 19. So those are going to be sent. So any kind of dynamic emails that are coming from a third-party app or pushing customer-specific data will be going out in addition to these emails that we've set up. So that is your post-purchase automation sequence, a little breakdown of some of the results that you can use as a baseline, as well as what we need you to do in that post-purchase automation sequence. Meet me in the next video where we'll talk about the infrastructure of the emails that you're sending out to your list.